Hello tubers, a new tutorial. It's a really hot tutorial today because it's actually about Backtrack. Everybody's asking about Backtrack. What the hell? I previously get a lot of requests about Backtrack. People asking how to hack Facebook, how to hack computers, how to hack accounts in general. So that's why I made this tutorial. First part of this tutorial is actually about an introduction. I'm going to explain a couple of points about Backtrack. Then I'm going to show you how to start it, how to run it on Windows, and how to make the configurations, the real one, the best one. Okay. Backtrack is actually an operating system, so that's why you can't say I'm going to hack somebody with Backtrack. It's it's illegal. It's literally illegal, you know, because I can't say I'm going to hack you with Windows. You know that you can say that. So what do you say? I will hack you with Backtrack, because actually creators of Backtrack added some options and some terminals into this operating system. It's based for made for security and not for hacking. But you can use it for hacking, because security is the first step of hacking. You know, you have to secure yourself before hacking any person. Okay. The second part, it's not the second point actually, is that you can't run it. You can't run Backtrack as a program. I mean, with exe files. So as you can see here, I have fast run capture. It's a simple program. So double click on this, and you're gonna run it. It's really easy. But when you are talking about Backtrack, you can't double click and run it, because it's an operating system. You have two choices. First of all, you have to delete your Windows, your actual Windows, and then formatting and installing a new operating system. It's Backtrack. So I'm going to show you my Backtrack. It's in my downloads. Sorry, because my system is in French. Because I'm French, I'm going to translate every single word here. So this is my Backtrack here. You see, it's the proof that it's an operating system is the 32-bit. I will show you the other proof. We're using Windows 7. It's 64 bits. There is basically two kind of bits. We have 32 and 64. Okay. Now I'm going to move to the second part of my tutorial. After the introduction, I'm going to show you how to run this Backtrack on your Windows. It's pretty easy, but it needs some configurations, you know, some options too. I'm going to show you the official site of VirtualBox. Okay, so now I'm gonna download VirtualBox. I always put the official sites because everybody's complaining about viruses and computer health. So when you are visiting the official site and downloading programs from there, you shouldn't complain. It's 0% virus. So only virtualbox.org, and then go to downloads, and you have it 4 choices for 4 operating systems. You can download for every single operating system. Here you have Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. It's not actually famous. It's not pretty much used here, but it's an operating system. Okay, I already downloaded and installed it. So after you did that, you have to run it. My VirtualBox. Okay. As you can see, I have this window. I used Backtrack before. So first of all, before running anything, I'm going to explain a couple of points also in this program. So actually, this program is going to make a virtual machine in your own machine. You know, it's confusing. You know, the virtual machine works as a new system. You know, so for example, I'm using Windows 7, and I want to use Windows. I don't know. It's not using. It's actually testing. I'm going to test Windows XP. So for example, I'm going to test my Windows XP or Windows 8. Any operating system. I'm going to use this simple software. You can use VirtualBox or VMware because they have the same work. Okay. So now I'm going to delete this from my previous work. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to name it Backtrack. and create. Next, I'm going to set the memory for like this. Okay, 512. Next, I'm going to create a virtual hard disk. Okay, next I'm going to set the quantity of hard disks based for Backtrack to 10 gigabytes and create it. Now the next step is going to start it. Okay, and now you have just to locate your Backtrack and select it and open it. Start. You have to just wait for a few minutes to run your Backtrack. It's actually booting like Windows, you know. This another proof that Backtrack is an operating system. That's because my tutorial is actually for beginners who think that Backtrack is a program and an exe file or executable, you know. Just an education after all. Just wait for my Backtrack. Okay. Now you have to choose the first option. Now let's configure and boot every signal file in the RAR file. It's operating system booting, you know, like Windows. I can't. Because people asking me, how can I run Backtrack? How can I do it? How can I hack? Oh my God, this is crazy, you know. I'm going to say another information about another tip about it, because it needs, as you can see here, he asks you for graphical interface. It's a keyword. It's startx. Just type it and hit OK. No, you don't have to put the username and the password, because and even ask you for username and password. Just type root and tour. Put everything in the description as well. Now we have this interface. This is our Backtrack. This is our operating system. This is our new Linux, you know. So I'm going to go applications, internet. I'm going to check out my internet. So you can surf and browse on your Backtrack, on your even in your virtual box, because actually it's creating I don't know what they call it, but it can do it. Instead of this one, because I banned it, I blocked VirtualBox from creating any new connections. You find here VirtualBox here in this location, and he will give you the speed of the internet. So I'm going to run Google. Hey, voila, my internet is working. Okay, so I'm going to show you a final tip. Is this one? This is basically Backtrack. This is everything about Backtrack. This one, from this interface, you can hack, you can secure yourself, you can do anything, you can run everything on your system, because this is what Backtrack is based on. You know, everything here is based on this terminal. It's named terminal and root and tour. Everything. You just type informations and orders here for Backtrack, and Backtrack will do everything. So it's everything. It's basically here. Everything is here. Hacking computers, hacking Facebook. It's not actually Facebook, because Facebook is you have to hack the main site, and this thing is impossible, obviously, because lots of security there. You know, Zuckerberg did the best site of the world. You know, no one can hack it. I think I will stop here on my first tutorial. So thank you guys for watching me. Check out my channel for new tutorials, because I'm going to make another ones about how to hack PCs, how to hack sites, how to do some penetrating, how to secure yourself. This is the most important thing before hacking anything. Okay, thank you guys for watching me. I'm gonna see you later. Bye bye.